Once upon a time, in a village nestled between towering mountains, there was a young girl named Lily. She was known for her curious nature and adventurous spirit. Every day after school, she would explore the meadows, climb the hills, and dream of faraway lands. But one evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, something extraordinary happened. As Lily was walking home, she noticed a peculiar light twinkling in the distance, deep within the forbidden forest. It wasn't just any light, it shimmered and sparkled, as if it were calling out to her. The villagers had always warned her never to enter the forest, saying it was filled with magic and mystery, but tonight, the allure was too strong to resist. Lily decided to follow the light. As she stepped into the forest, the trees seemed to whisper her name, and the path beneath her feet glowed faintly, guiding her deeper into the woods. The air was filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers, and soft, melodious sounds echoed through the trees, as if the forest itself was alive. The deeper Lily went, the more enchanting the forest became. She encountered glowing mushrooms that lit up with every step, and fireflies danced around her, forming a path. But suddenly, the light she was following vanished. She found herself standing in a clearing with no sign of the twinkling star. Just as Lily was about to turn back, a soft voice spoke.
Who enters the enchanted forest uninvited?
Startled, she looked around but saw no one. The voice echoed again, this time from above. She looked up and saw a tiny, glowing figure hovering in the air. It was a fairy, with delicate wings that shimmered like a rainbow in the moonlight. The fairy introduced herself as Elara, the guardian of the forest. She explained that the light Lily had followed was a lost star, fallen from the night sky. Without it, the balance of magic in the forest would be disrupted, and darkness would soon take over.
You must help me find it.
Elara said, her voice tinged with urgency. Lily agreed to help, and together, they set off on a quest to find the lost star. Elara warned her that the journey would be filled with challenges, but Lily was determined. As they ventured deeper into the forest, they encountered their first obstacle, a wide river with no bridge in sight. Elara pointed to a group of giant lily pads floating on the water.
We must hop across them,
she said. But there was a catch. The lily pads only appeared solid if you believed in the magic of the forest. Doubt, even for a second, and you would fall into the water. Lily closed her eyes and took a leap of faith. To her amazement, she landed safely on the first lily pad. One by one, she and Elara hopped across, their belief in the magic growing stronger with every jump. When they reached the other side, Lily felt a surge of confidence. But their journey was far from over. As they continued, the forest grew darker, and strange, shadowy figures began to emerge. These were the forest spirits, beings who had once been protectors but had turned dark when the magic began to fade. They tried to block Lily's path, whispering doubts and fears into her mind. Lily felt fear creeping in, but Elara reminded her of the importance of their mission.
You must stay strong,
the fairy said.
Only light can drive away the darkness.
Summoning all her courage, Lily held on to the belief that she could find the lost star. With each step, the shadows retreated and the path ahead became clearer. Finally, after what felt like hours of walking, they reached the heart of the forest, a place where the trees parted, revealing a sky filled with stars. And there, lying on the ground, was the lost star, its light dim and flickering. Lily gently picked up the star, feeling its warmth in her hands. But just as she did, the ground beneath her began to shake. The forest spirits had returned, angry and determined to stop her.
You can't take the star. The forest belongs to us now.
But Lily refused to give in to fear. She raised the star high above her head, and its light began to grow brighter and brighter, filling the clearing with a brilliant glow. The spirits shrieked and tried to flee, but the light was too strong. One by one, they disappeared, banished by the star's magic. With the spirits gone, the forest began to change. The darkness lifted, and the trees, flowers, and creatures all seemed to come alive with vibrant energy. Elara smiled and said, "But the star's journey wasn't over. It needed to return to the sky." Elara used her magic to send it back, and as it ascended, it left behind a trail of sparkling stardust. The forest would forever be protected thanks to Lily's bravery. As Lily prepared to leave the forest, Elara gave her a small vial of stardust.
Keep this with you.
The fairy said.
Whenever you need a bit of magic in your life, it will be there.
Lily returned to her village, her heart full of wonder and her spirit forever changed. She knew that whenever she looked up at the stars, she would always remember the night she saved the enchanted forest. But the vial of stardust remained with her, and some say that from time to time, on quiet nights, she would sprinkle just a little bit, and magical things would happen once again. The end.
Thank you friends for watching my video. For more videos, please like, share the video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.